What is the molecule that allows plants to capture energy from sunlight? Again, ano daw ang tawag sa molecule that allow plants to capture sunlight? So, ang plants po, they are the producers. Tumalabas sa board exam, ano daw ang producer? Plants. Sino daw ang autotroph? Autotroph? Sagot, plants. Pero pag tinanong ka sino ang heterotroph, sagot mo grasshopper, okay? Or hindi nagpo-produce ng kanyang pagkain. Okay? So pag carbohydrates naman po is ano siya? Macromolecule, okay? Pag naman po so macromolecule siya. So hindi siya chlorophyll na po. This is the green pigments, okay? This is the green pigments. Ayan. Pag ATP naman po, this is the cellular respiration product. Okay? ATP, cellular respiration product. Ang oxygen naman po, this is the product of photosynthesis. Okay? Again, oxygen is the product of photosynthesis. Now, ano sagot? Ano sagot? That's the chlorophyll. Okay? Chlorophyll. Pag-usapan natin ang plants. Pag sinasabi natin green pigments, chlorophyll. Site of the photosynthesis. Chloroplast. Again, site of the photosynthesis, chloroplast. The small holes. Stomata. The breathing organs of plants in their trunks. Trunks. Lenticels. Beneath the soil. Roots. What about for in their leaves? Stomata. Products of photosynthesis. Oxygen and glucose or sugar. Products of cellular respiration. Carbon, ATP, and water. Okay? Macromolecules. CPL, N. Carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleotides. Okay? Pag producers, plants. Pag heterotroph, grasshopper. Hindi nagpo-produce ng kanilang pagkain, yung mga heterotroph. Pag autotroph, they're self-producing. Kaya nilang pumasa sa board examination kahit mag-isa sila. Kaya nilang itap ang board exam kahit self-review sila. Ikaw ba yan? Autotroph ka ba? Papasa na ba? Kaya bang itap ang board exam? Ayos pa ba tayo dyan? Ilan yung scores mo? Yan, tama mo. Patingin ng score bago natin isigaw na tayo ay papasa at magtatap sa board exam natin. Sige nga, patingin po ng scores. Nakasabay ba sa drill natin? Again, pag gusto nyo pong panoorin ulit to, you can go to YouTube. Ang pangalan ko po sa YouTube ay Sir Melvin Borracho Corner sa YouTube. Okay? Sa Facebook naman po, para po sa mga gustong mag-join sa final coaching, just message me sa aking Facebook page. Melvin Osabel Borracho, yung may 500,000 followers. Ayan. Ang tataas naman